In today's video, we're going to explore the uses of radiation in medicine, and specifically, we'll take a look at radiotherapy, which is used to treat cancer, as well as medical tracers that helps us detect certain problems in our bodies. As we know, the ionizing radiation can damage our cells by ionizing the atoms and molecules. Even though this can cause general damage to the cells, the major problem is that ionizing can mutate our DNA, where it can occasionally lead to cancer. However, if our cells receive a huge dose, then they are killed off completely. This is why, if you receive high doses of radiation, you develop radiation sickness, which leads to vomiting, tiredness, and hair loss. Basically, lots of our cells have either been destroyed or damaged, so overall, you will feel ill.